I refuse to lose! I want my duel to make everyone smile too!
This isn't your lucky day, because you have to duel me! Duel! My turn! I activate Umbral Horror Ghost effect from my hand! Show yourself! I special summon a monster! Umbral Horror Ghost! I end my turn!
It's my turn. I draw. Lyrilusc Turquoise Warbler! Special summoning Turquoise Warbler activates her effect. Lyrilusc Celestine Wagtail! Special summoning Celestine Wagtail activates her effect. I activate the spell card, Lyrilusc Bird Call! Lyrilusc Celestine Wagtail! My beautiful birds chirp and sing above the battlefield! Xyz Summon! Swoop! Rank 1 Lyrilusc Ensemble Robin! I set a card. Let's battle! Ensemble Robin, attack! That ends my turn.
My turn! I draw! I activate my monster's effect! Battle! Go! I attack you directly!
I'm not out yet.
I end my turn!
Here I go. My turn. I draw. Lyrilusc Feral Canary! I activate Sapphire Swallow's effect from my hand. Lyrilusc Cobalt Sparrow! Lyrilusc Sapphire Swallow! Special summoning Cobalt Sparrow activates her effect. My beautiful birds harmonize above the battlefield! Xyz Summon! Join me! Rank 1 Lyrilusc Recital Starling! Recital Starling's effect activates when she's Xyz summoned. I use one overlay unit to activate Recital Starling's effect. Battle! Now's the time. I attack with my monster. My set card. I activate a quick play spell.
That won't go unpunished!
With that, I end my turn.
My turn! I draw! Umbral Horror Ghost! Let's battle! Attack, Umbral Horror Ghost! I end my turn.
It's my turn. I draw. I activate a quick play spell. I set a card. I activate Sapphire Swallow's effect from my hand. Lyrilusc Turquoise Warbler! Lyrilusc Sapphire Swallow! Special summoning Turquoise Warbler activates her effect. Lyrilusc Sapphire Swallow! My beautiful birds, spread your wings above the battlefield! Xyz Summon! From high above, rank 1 Lyrilusc assembled Nightingale! Using Sapphire Swallow to Exceed Summon activates her effect. Using Sapphire Swallow to Exceed Summon activates her effect. Battle! Assembled Nightingale attacks! Assembled Nightingale attacks for a second time!
That won't go unpunished!
A third time!
That won't go unpunished!
A fourth time!
That won't go unpunished!
A fifth time!
You'll pay for that!
All right. I attack with my monster.
That won't go unpunished!
With that, I end my turn.
You're going to love this! It's my turn. I draw. Here I go. I summon a monster! Let's battle! I'll break you apart! My monster attacks!
I use one overlay unit to activate my Nightingale's effect.
That ends my turn.
Here I go. My turn. I draw. I activate my continuous spell, Lyrilusc Bird Sanctuary. I activate Lyrilusc Bird Sanctuary's effect. I activate Lyrilusc Bird Sanctuary's effect. Battle! Assembled Nightingale attacks!
You'll pay for that!
Assembled Nightingale attacks for a second time!
That won't go unpunished!
A third time!
You'll pay for that!
A fourth time! A fifth time! Assembled Nightingale attacks! Assembled Nightingale attacks! Assembled Nightingale attacks!
That won't go unpunished!
With that, I end my turn.
You're going to love this! It's my turn. I draw. Umbral Horror Ghoul! Let's battle! Umbral Horror Ghoul, attack!
I use one overlay unit to activate my Nightingale's effect.
That ends my turn.
Here I go. My turn. I draw. Celestine Wagtail's effect activates from my graveyard. From my hand, I activate a spell card. I activate Lyrilusc Bird Sanctuary's effect. From my hand, I activate a spell card. Battle! Assembled Nightingale attacks!
That won't go unpunished!
Assembled Nightingale attacks for a second time! A third time! A fourth time!
You'll pay for that!
A fifth time! Assembled Nightingale attacks! Assembled Nightingale attacks!
That won't go unpunished!
You can't dodge this! Assembled Nightingale attacks!
treats me this way.
We duel to make friends, not enemies. Right?